welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are gonna do a ColourPop haul. So I recently just purchased some stuff on ColourPop, things that I've never tried that I wanted to try. I've seen people talk about them, and also I think two or three of these items are fairly new. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rose. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. I'm gonna do swatches and everything on this video as well. And if you guys want to see me review any of these products, give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comment section as well. So yeah, enough rambling. Let's get right to the video. Alright you guys, so here's my box. I took everything out of like the little foam bubbly wrap thing just so it's easier, but this is everything that I got here. I love ColourPop boxes. I love opening it. As you guys see, it has like what, stars? Kind of like some cute decoration inside. Then it also came with this cute little card and it says, "You're a quality friend. XOXO ColourPop." This is so cute. So cute. Okay, so first thing I got was some Super Shock shadows. I feel like I've never like really played with ColourPop shadows. I've always gravitated towards like their lip products. I don't know, I have no idea why, but I went ahead and I bought two new sets that they had. These are I believe they're new colors that they released, and they actually had them like in a bundle of 3, so I was like, why not just get the bundle of 3? So there were 3 different bundles that caught my eye, but I only picked out 2 since I was like on a budget. And the first one was these, not these 4, these 3. What's the name of them? Does it have it here in my thingy? I'm sorry guys, I'm like all over the place. I know I look hit right now, so excuse me if I do. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to show you is called Times Infinity, and it's like a whole bunch of purple shades here. Okay, I'm going to have to like focus, that way you guys can see. Okay, so these are the 3 here. Very, very, very pretty colors. Let's go ahead and swatch them. The first one is called Isa. That's a pretty one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very, 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 very pretty. I really like that. And we're gonna go ahead and swatchy dotch. Wow, that swatched beautifully. Oh my gosh, and it's so creamy and soft. Okay, no wonder if it had a scent. I like to smell things. So that's Isa. That's the first one. Then the second one is called Widow, like my Widow baby. And this is what it looks like. It's a lot lighter than the first one, than Isa. This is so soft and like creamy. Okay, so that's it. I feel like, what's it, Widow, which is this one here. I feel like that one looks a lot more cooler than Isa. I don't know. You guys tell me. Maybe it's my lighting, but that's just my opinion. I can't wait to play with these. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And then the last one from that collection is called Frog. I think if I was to name something Frog, it will probably be a pretty green color. This one looks like a pinky lilac shade, not even, like a very soft pink with a little bit of, that's it here, it's the last one. That'd be good, like a really nice highlight. I feel like it has like some purple, I don't know, in person you can see like the purpley lilac iridescent glitters and everything, but yeah, on the skin it's very, very, very light. These three are beautiful. Ooh, I'm so happy. Okay, so the second bundle is called Brey, and these are the shades here, and this one gave me full-blown fall rusty shades, which I love those colors, so I definitely had to go ahead and pick them up. So the first one is called No Promises, and like I have some like the single ones from the, it's like hearts open, the Kathleen Lights collection, but I never like really used them. I think I used them maybe a couple times and that's it. Oh my gosh, this shade here. You guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have some fun. I'm gonna have some fun. And again, the shade is called No Promises. The second shade here is called Cuteologist. That is so cute. Okay, and it's like, looks like same undertone, only difference is, not same undertone, same, similar shades, but this one has it's a lot more pigmented on my finger than on the swatch. This one has some shimmer in it, whereas the first one was completely matte. So that one is that. Cuteologist. That is so cute. I can't wait. Like, I felt like I needed to do some makeup shopping to get some inspiration back because I've been in such a rut. And then the third one is a really beautiful gold, and it's called Sidekick. Wow. That's bomb. That is really, really bomb. I like that. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so those were the two bundles of Super Shock shadows that I got. And again, like I said, I do believe these are like from their newer launches, because I know that they just released some really, really new colors. My next order with them, I'm definitely going to get like the third bundle that it was some beautiful blue shades. I just have to get them, so maybe next week sometime I'll go ahead and purchase them. So when purchasing this, I believe it was like if you spent $30 or more or $40 or more, you get a free palette. So they sent the Take Me Home palette. You guys, no lie, I thought this palette, seeing pictures of it and seeing it online, I thought it was a lot bigger than this, but it's not. It's small, but it's cute. So this is what it looks like here. And then I was like swatching it earlier when I opened the packaging because I couldn't help myself. But these are the shades. I feel like this would be a very good travel everyday palette. It's just so pretty. So it has 3 mattes and 3 shimmers, and then it also has like a mirror here. And okay, so it does have the names in the back. So let's swatchy. So the first shade I'm gonna swatch, it's called French Kiss. So that's it there. Very beautiful nude, very, very pigmented, like so pigmented. The second shade is called Sidetracked, and this is from the first row, you guys. So that's Sidetrack. Perfect transition transition shade. The third one, which I feel like is the one that really caught my eye, is called Issues. Perfect name for the perfect color. Very deep, like chocolate brown. So pretty. Like I have a like. That was my brother. Okay, then we have, I can't say they are powdery, like, yeah. But for the shade is called Bitter Better. That's it right there. It's really, really pretty. Then we had the fifth shade, which is another brown, but this one I feel is a lot more with, I don't know, to me it has like a reddish undertone of it. This one here. And then the last shade in the palette, which is this beautiful gold. Okay, this beautiful, it looks kind of silver on camera, but it is a gold. That's what it looks like there. And that is called Saltwater, and that medium brown is called Popular Demand. So this is so, so cute. I love this palette. And the last palette that I got is the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collection. Not collection, collaboration. It's the Dream Street palette. I've seen so many people talk about this palette. So many people do views with this palette, and I'm just like, oh, I need to get it. I need to get it. So I finally got my hands on it, and for me wanting to be all nosy and whatnot, I swatched and dirtied it. Ugh. Okay, so packaging, love, to die for. I love this. And then these are the shades here. Beautiful. This shade here is calling me, this shade here is calling me, and that shade is calling me. So let's get to swatching. So I'm gonna do the first row first. Okay, from top to bottom. Wait, how this is gonna work? Okay, so the top one is called Twinkle. Then we have Stardust, Magical, and then Shooting Star, which is that beautiful rose gold shade there. I have like shadow all over me. Spark, which is this shade here. It's very light, not as pigmented. Then we have Potion, Water Bear, and Sweet Dreams right there. Okay, now for the last row we have Mermaid Boy, which is a really pretty like holographic shade. Then this one here is Moony. Then we have Elf Fish. I don't know if you guys can see that one. Very light. And then the last one, which is Kaleidoscope. So these are all the shades. Right. Then I got one lippy product. I said, okay, just get one. Don't go crazy with lip products. And this is the Isla Sarai and ColourPop collaboration. This is the Gloss Atoli. I was watching one of her videos the other day, and I saw her put it on, and I was like, why don't I have it? Why don't I have it? So this is the packaging. Very, very beautiful pinky shade, kind of like a rose gold in a way. Gold reflex in it, and that's it right there. Now it does, when I like me swatching it, it does kind of feel a little like if it will be a sticky gloss, but I won't really be able to tell until I put it on my lips. So again, if you guys want to see me review any of these products, just let me know down below in the comment section, and I will go ahead and film that for you guys. Then I got the No Filter Concealer. So I got 2 shades because I wasn't sure which one I would be in. So I got Beige 25 and Light Neutral. Shall. Okay. So this one is Beige 25. I feel like this is going to be too light. That's it there. I don't know. It might be too light. I hope not. Because when I do first impressions, not even first impressions, when I do reviews, it's going to be like, wait, but look, it's already changed color. Okay, this one has a very peachy undertone as it's drying down. Okay. And then this one is light neutral. So I do have a very neutral undertone. Like, it's weird. Like, some parts of my face is neutral, and then there's other parts of my face where it's a little yellow. I don't know. So this is, oh, that's really light. That's light. So that's light neutral. I don't know, maybe I'll mix the two. Maybe. Alright, you guys, so that is everything that I got from ColourPop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video again for like the millionth time. If you guys want to see me review or try any of these products on my channel, then let me know down in the comment section. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy hauls. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah. Bye.